Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, magre-random haul tayo. So, nandito lahat guys, merong mga beauty products, merong mga skincare products dito. And lahat ng sasabihin ko sa inyo ng mga products is nandito lang sa aking description box below. First, Umbro or Umbro Ice Deo Spray. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Next guys is Fresh Skin Love na aloe vera. Ayan guys, deodorizing body wipes. Ngayon lang ako nakita guys ng cooling wipes. Next naman is from the Fresh din, yung Hair Lab. Ito yung Hya Keratin na 3-in-1 Super Hair Gel Mascara. So, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. So, if I'm not mistaken, ito yung mga parang mga baby hair. Ayan, pwede mo tong gamitin. Next product naman is from Fresh ulit. This one is the Makeup Cleansing Balm. Open natin siya guys. Kasi, ngayon ko lang nalaman na meron na palang cleansing balm si Fresh. Guys, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Ayan. Next naman is from Fresh ulit. Fluoride free na rin. Ayan. Next, guys, from Fresh ulit. This one is Fresh Scent Lab Beauty Parfum Irresistible Rose. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Ang ganda ng itsura niya, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Mabango din. Next item naman guys is from Umbro Ice Body Wash. So ganyan yung kanyang itsura, ang laki niya. I think yung Umbro na brand is for men. Next naman, ayan, dito na tayo sa last na paper bag. This one is from Mink Body Care. Meron tayo ditong Mink na pang Rad Pits Deo Spray. Ayan, ganyan siya. Pangalawa naman is Underarm Serum from Mink din. So, itong dalawang product na to is from the brand Mink. Ito naman is from Lana PH. Hydrate and Illuminate Elixir. So, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Ayan, para siyang serum. So, that's it guys for my random haul. Thank you so much guys for watching. And lahat ng link ng products na binanggit ko is nandito sa aking description box below. So, ayun lang guys. Buyers, follow me for more!